We don't understand why some people are more resilient than others. We don't understand why some people recover spontaneously from traumatic events and other people suffer for years and decades. And if we knew the answer, we could help everyone be more resilient, right? The thought is that secure attachment in childhood conveys a resilience, gives us, it's like, getting vaccinated, or like we get immunized with all this positive, safe, secure attachment. And it has a buffering effect against stress. Mm. And so that's both a very sad and a very hopeful explanation. Very sad because it takes so much for parents to offer secure attachment. I don't know if you're a parent, but trust me, it's a lot of work. And not, and many parents are living at the edge. They're just struggling to get through each day and feed their children. They much less to have the ability to offer them safety and security. So we shall see. There are more mysteries to solve.
I never would have thought of that, but it does make a lot of sense that the foundational element here is a secure attachment relationship. And it makes me think, in the future, you obviously have ways of understanding different people's attachment styles. So, in schools for young people, if they figure out, or if they're testing attachment styles early on, maybe you figure out the child or the children with insecure attachments, and then you figure out ways to help them out earlier on to develop that internal relationship. I don't know. It's certainly possible and could do a lot of good.
Absolutely. And also, if we treat children as not good or bad, right? Here are the good children. Here are the bad children. If we assume that bad behavior represents an attachment problem, we're going to treat children differently. I've worked in schools, and I know how teachers can have gut reactions to children who are difficult to teach, that are quite negative because they don't understand what it is that's impeding the child's ability to even sit in a classroom.